5. Today we're gonna be aiming to get champions to champion. Well, gold one first, but the overall goal is to get to Champions League. You ready, Glenn?
Testing one, two.
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Okay, good. Do I sound any different from the phone?
Yes, you do. You do.
Okay. I've been studying,
So
bro. I
you
cannot
said
lie.
you were doing the. Oh no, but you weren't using the extension then. You were just.
No, not as it, because I literally just got it. I was going to. All right, we can do this. Oh, but we don't get much points per win now, don't we?
Mm,
We might have to play a couple games, but I'm relatively confident that we can get to goal three.
okay, let's go.
All right.
Let us go.
What did you end up doing after?
Oh,
I will.
GH is here. GH 33.
Oh, hey, I saw him online.
Oh,
I got learnable meta, bro. Just haven't used it yet.
this looks
This could
European.
be, yeah, this could be like Bulgaria.
Bulgaria.
Look for Cyrillic script. It's here. Cyrillic script is here. I'm thinking Bulgaria, Romania here. Um,
Where is that
I don't know.
again?
I'm confident enough to just do it.
Let's go.
Go here.
Sofia.
Yeah, beautiful.
Mm, mm, mm. Oh, GH
It's
says
Ukraine.
he's studying. Oh, damn,
Jano.
Kiev.
It's Ukraine.
So I mean, it
It's
looks.
Ukraine.
So they
That's
kind of look
okay.
similar then.
They have they use Cyrillic. It's fine.
Sudic is the
It's okay.
language.
Cyrillic is like the language template.
Oh, hmm.
They started that
This is
UA a bit
Europe.
money.
That what?
I started that UA late.
Oh, this is Europe. I just
Yeah, I
don't really
can't
know
pinpoint the
where.
language though. Is that Spanish?
July 2024.
Yeah,
Inalta
Jule
Tensiune.
Jule is a Spanish word. Alright, Spain unless
Shit.
otherwise proven.
Spain. Okay.
Unless otherwise
Oh,
proven. No, don't go Spain. Don't go Spain yet. We'll just, let's try and look for more
I
information.
don't know. I don't like. I don't like giving them time. I feel like they
Yeah.
already know what's up.
Alright, so the flag is red,
Cause they're from this
yellow,
area now. They're gonna try
blue.
5K this. Oh, hold on. Yeah.
Red, yellow, blue. Is that
Primaria,
Romania?
Timisoara. What
Oh
we need to do is look
god.
at the flag after this. Red,
Alright, yeah, go
yellow,
Spain. I'll
blue.
go here. Just in case. Yeah, go Spain.
Hmm. It was Romania.
It was Romania. Okay.
So that's how the Romanian flag looks.
That's how the Romanian flag looks. Yep.
Hmm. So it looks similar to the Colombian one then. Colombia's like a similar
Yeah.
color, right?
It's weird. I don't know why
So
it's
Romania,
similar.
Colombia. But Romania speaks Spanish.
No. I don't remember what language they speak, to be honest. So this is Cyrillic again. I'm not seeing an plate, so this is likely Russia.
Hmm. Yeah, this actually does look Russian.
For where in Russia? Alright. You could
That
hedge
one.
Moscow. Go to Moscow. I'm gonna go somewhere else in Russia.
Hold
Probably
on.
east.
Where's
There's
Kazakhstan?
no way that was Kazakhstan. There's no way.
Dang.
I
Yeah,
don't understand.
GH
I've been
actually
winning all
said it
morning.
after. GH was like Kazakh, I think. Just saw it after.
That wasn't
Adidas.
a Kazakh
Uh,
car.
what is this? Pixlar. The wording is weird. Like it's very wordy for their words. Vulgar, Helmar.
I think
Well,
this is
see a
Iceland.
EU. Well, see a EU
Let's go to
plate.
Iceland. Go to Iceland. Actually, I don't know, but I feel like this might be Iceland.
Mm. Yo, wow. Good call. Good call.
All right, these guys are good. It's okay. We might lose the battle, but we're gonna win the war. Sun to the north.
Turn to the west.
English. South Africa. I'm feeling South Africa here.
I
Black
must be in
people
uptown Senegal.
driving on the left. This is not Senegal, bro.
Uptown Senegal.
No, this is slightly South Africa.
What makes you say South Africa?
The sun is to the north. Everybody's black,
African
and they're driving
cuisine.
left. Yeah, South Africa. Hedge. Like here, or like here, maybe
I don't know.
here. Blue. Okay, yeah.
Oh
Nice.
wow!
Yo, you should have gone. You should have gone in the
Yo,
city, but that's okay.
damn, that's crazy. Damn. How did you know that was South Africa? American Dream Cafe. Europa.
EU plates.
Yeah.
HR.
HR is which one again?
Is that Hungary?
Is that a Hungary or well? Let's pressure them. Hungry or something else. Look around. In the meantime.
Yeah, looking.
Hungry.
HR. I thought Hungary was HU.
It might be something else.
I'm gonna be so vexed if it's something else and it's obvious. I'm gonna go here.
Oh, what is it? Which one country is this?
HR is
Croatia.
Croatia?
I think we've come across this before.
That doesn't make sense.
Yeah, I think we had the same issue. Damn.
The country code domain for Croatia is HR. Wow.
Yeah.
All right. This is what I want you to do now. Stream to Discord so I can see your screen.
This won't like explode my computer.
Bro, you've done this before.
This is pretty good because it's not even using much. I'm using like half my RAM, a third my CPU.
How much RAM you have?
32.
Nice. I'm feeling to upgrade to 32 as well.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. It is pretty nice. You haven't played Battlefield yet?
Nah. But I want to. I've just been trying to secure myself in gold one. This is Greece.
I think I've
let's not even give them any time, bro.
For sure. Where is here in Greece?
I don't know where in Greece we are, but we're in Greece because the language on the wall is Greek. Bro, Thessalonia. Yeah.
That's the Bible place?
Yeah.
Athens. Okay, that's the capital, I guess. Athens. I actually kind of feel for coffee.
Oh, so happens when you wake up early.
Yeah, but I don't have coffee at home. If I drink the coffee now, it's probably gonna
sleep. SK is
yes,
Slovakia, I believe. I'm gonna go Bratty. Hold on, let me look around.
No, Vienna.
Yeah, because Serbia is like Slovakia. SE. Slovenia is not SK. It has to be Slovakia. Go here.
That as a hedge. Wow, similar hedge. Cosise.
Cossack, I think.
Cos- mm, GH says, would you guys ever want to join a Discord or something to play against each other? Yeah, I'd be
Yeah,
up for it.
sure. JH trying to get cooked. Joke, a joke.
Sure. Yeah, I'd play, man. I would play. Stop is word in Ninth Avenue.
Driving
Is that
left. Where's my
Canada?
son? My son is north. This is likely Australia, low key.
Australia drives on the left too.
Yeah.
Also, they're like us.
Yeah. They're British.
Oh,
They were
really?
affected by England. Mount
Oh,
Albert.
so do you know how
I don't know
to?
where in Australia we are though.
Oh, well,
Oh, this is not
have to
good.
do something.
Oh, Auckland.
Sydney.
We're in New Zealand actually.
What?
Go Auckland right now.
Wow. Where is New Zealand? Oh,
Go there. Go exactly there. Yeah.
where did you? Yeah, that was would be a. Well, I mean, Australia isn't that
Yeah. If
far,
we
but
if we went to Australia, it would have been cooked. I think in Australia the road signs are either blue or green,
mm,
and that's rare in Australia. Uh, I have no idea where we are. We're somewhere in Europe.
does give me that
Oh, oh,
vibe,
oh,
but
oh, oh, oh. This is Latvia. This is Latvia. I'm pretty sure.
what makes you say
If
Latvia?
it's not Latvia, it's because of the flag. It has to be Latvia. It has to be. It has to be Latvia. It has to be Latvia. Am I dumb? I'm not dumb. Bro,
Oh, nice,
it's my
nice,
backyard.
nice, nice. Ooh. This is European
Yeah.
Bazirk Fart.
The B is German.
Dush Post DHL. That's
The B is German, but that could be one of many countries.
oh, it could be German. I guess a German speaking country.
So rough. I'm thinking Germany low
Wow.
key.
Yeah, we could hedge beside Germany. So you go, could go.
No, I'm
Is
thinking
it
in
Berlin
Germany. Go
or
Berlin.
Munich?
I'll go like between Munich and
Munich.
Frankfurt. All right.
Oh, oh.
I thought, I thought you were gonna hedge down there.
Oh my gosh, that was a close one. You imagine we're off.
Oh,
Damn,
that's so
that would have
funny.
been Claro.
This could be Guat. This could be Guat still.
It could be Guatemala, Colombia.
Central America, yeah, bro.
Wait, does it have the cross on the back of the signs? The Colombian cross?
This is not Colombia. Go like, go like here or here, somewhere outside of the town of the city of Guatemala.
Nice.
Yeah, them dead still. Dead like dog. Yeah, that Latvia I guess was good.
Yay. Woo. Let's go. GH says, look at the car. This was the car in when we were in was it Guatemala or something else?
Yeah, the car gave it away for Guatemala.
Oh, okay, nice. Nice. Singapore, Thailand, something like that. I like. I noticing a lot of greenery. What are you thinking?
Um, hate
should.
city centers.
Uh,
Bro, I don't know.
I'll go Singapore, which
Um,
is where again? Where's Singapore?
I'm gonna go Japan.
Malaysia.
Yeah, you can go Singapore.
Be more Singapore or Thailand.
It
Oh,
was
or
Taiwan.
Taiwan though. Oh,
It I couldn't
Taiwan is
determine
kind
if
of
I
like a
drove left or
Singapore then.
right because we're in the city and everywhere was one way.
So Taiwan is like a Singapore. So if we could use that to hedge if we think it's Singapore.
Rue, French. This could be either France, could be Brussels. Um, yellow plates. Yellow plates is significant for somewhere, but I don't remember where.
Hmm,
LU, Luxembourg.
Luxembourg.
Yep.
Where is that again? Oh, that's.
Oh wow! I have to go in the city. I misclicked just now.
Mm.
Hold on. Yeah. Or did I? I think my game is bugging, but it's fine. Go Luxembourg. No, no, no. The city. The city. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. My game bugged, so it showed my icon as North Luxembourg, but it was actually in
GH
the city.
thought that one was. Is he saying that one was Netherlands? Or he thought it was Netherlands? Just had these stone roads, European.
Good. 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 Good
Where in
calls.
Europe though? Where has these very stony roads?
I'm not sure.
Alcantara,
Tesla's. It's an English stop sign.
Tapada,
Oh God,
Tapada,
I don't know where we are. Let's go Spain. It's giving kind of Spanish.
Barca then.
Probably go like here. It was Lisbon. Yeah, that's why I
Lisbon.
went on the border because I
So
wasn't
that's
sure.
Portugal. Okay.
Hmm.
So Portugal. I mean, Portugal's right beside Spain, so it's like Netherlands. I don't know. Look at the hills. Look at those big. Or is New Zealand? Which one is very hilly again?
Wow, it's so
Which
beautiful.
one's very
This could be
hilly?
Switzerland.
Netherlands or
This could be
Switzerland?
Switzerland.
Oh, it could be the Swiss
Netherlands is very
Alps.
flat.
Pressure.
Did
I'm
you
going
guess,
Stockholm. Yeah, I'm going
bro?
Stockholm.
What?
I'm going Stockholm, bro.
No, it's not Sweden, bro. It's like Switzerland.
Where's Switzerland?
This man guessed it up, brawling.
Mm.
Switzerland, Austria. Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's not Sweden, bro. Sweden will never have these mountains. It's either
Oh.
Switzerland, Austria.
Mm.
Northern
It's probably
Italy can look like
Africa.
that as well. Sun to the south. It's EU. But where in the EU, you may ask? I don't know.
Oh yeah, due to the blue plates. Uh, I don't know. It's not really giving me London vibes. It was a big
Porto,
place.
Portugal. Porto,
Portugal.
Portugal. Yeah. Here. Go here.
What makes you want to go here?
Because it's in the city of Porto. I want to go here. Like in real life.
Oh, nice.
Very nice place.
Not in fake life.
Not in fake life.
Oh, damn. Yeah, they did
Very
pretty
good
good.
hedge by them. That means that they got Portugal based off of meta, and not the fact that that Porto was all over the place. Um,
Dot E. Hold on.
EU
Dot
plates.
HU. Dot HU.
That's
Which one is
Hungary.
that? Hungary.
It's
We're in
definitely Hungary.
Hungary. Let's push. Push.
Let's go
Fine.
Budapest. Um,
Where's the
I
hedge
mean,
here?
this looks very city-ish, but you can probably hedge. Oh, I already pressed Budapest. Well,
Oh, wait, I press.
um, okay. So we're in Budapest still, so it's fine.
Mm. Yeah, I guess they saw the dot Hungary. It wasn't rocket science. Uh, Just kind of like Portmore, bro.
This could be Arch.
Argentina. Okay.
Yeah, this could be Arch. All right, let's do Buenos Aires. I'm gonna go Buenos Aires. I want you to go Cordoba. Let's see if they know their South American metas. Them. No, no,
Malaysia.
no.
Damn, we're
How
dead.
is that Malaysia? No, no, no,
We
no, no,
are
no, no,
dead.
no, 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 no.
Mm-mm.
No, no,
Channel.
no, 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 no.
Channel.
That plate does look so Argentinian though. Hold on. Malaysia.
GH said that's Asia.
Based
Yeah.
off of what? Asking based off of what?
Yeah, based off of what GH. What made you say Asia?
Malaysia uses a black plate with a white face.
Mm-hmm.
The sun here is to the north.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, where in the world is Malaysia? Malaysia is close to the equator, but still. This road is not fair. All right, I've seen some black plates now, but for the most part, it's like white with a black center.
Mm.
Did he respond?
He said the language you saw and the poles in Malaysia have a black sign on them. Oh, all of the like.
Poles,
You can send me a
the
picture. That's
poles in Malaysia have a black sign. I said a
yeah.
black sign now.
Oh, can you screenshot that
Yeah,
and send it in Discord? I'll try to
yeah.
do that. I'll probably try to show it on stream so we can all learn together. All become better
Yeah, I sent it in the Discord.
day after day. Uh,
Black sign on them. Okay, so black
interesting.
plate no longer means just Argentina alone. It can also mean Malaysia, apparently.
Okay, thanks, GH.
And this language, yeah, this language would have given me Asia. I just never saw it.
Hmm.
All right,
Yeah,
we
we
move, we
gotta be
press.
more observant, I guess. Damn, really, I do feel for coffee.
Really, really thought it was Argentina, though. It's fine. Some
We
use
have
some.
such days, bro. We all have those days.
Realizing that we have to win probably like 10 games to get to gold.
Eee. I'm getting tired already. Europe, but hmm,
Lords. I feel like
Lord's
only France would be.
Parish Schools.
That's English.
Definitely Europe, but where in
Yeah,
Europe?
a lot of English.
Oh,
Slow. This is English Europe. This could be UK, low key.
yeah, but UK is so big. We're in the UK.
That's IE. Where's that?
That what? IE?
IE. Is it Iceland or Ireland? But is Iceland a
Just
part
go
of
both
Europe?
then.
No. I think it's
Ireland.
Ireland. I'm gonna go Dublin.
Dublin. Where's the next big
Okay, you go
city?
Dublin. You go Dublin. You go Dublin. That's fine. Lock it in. Could go to Belfast, low key.
Where's Belfast?
Northern Ireland. I don't think it's Iceland.
Hmm. Even though it said I. Well, hey, it
Nice.
was Dublin. Or does it? How do you pronounce it? Dublin. Get the Dublin. get the
It's
dub.
close to your
Then
town of Liverpool.
where is this?
I don't know. Sun to the north,
It looks
though.
English signs.
And we are driving. This is a one way though. This could be Australia, could be South Africa, could be New Zealand. Hold on. No, we're driving right.
Could this be the US?
Hold on. Let me check my sun again. No, this. Hold on. Could be. Sun to the south. Sorry. So this is the northern hemisphere.
Hmm.
Driving right. This could be the US. I'm feeling the US
Glad
here. San
tidings
Francisco.
fresh. You say some say
San
San
Fran.
Francisco?
Yeah.
Where
Full
is
gospel.
San Francisco
San
on the map?
Francisco. San
Which
Francisco
oh,
is big. Damn.
it's in California. Hmm.
Ellis.
Let's go to the. You went to the. That's the capital.
Ellis. No. It, all right. I
Oh,
can't 5K this, but go like go somewhere within San Francisco. That makes sense. Maybe like here. Go here. Go here. Actually.
hmm. GH actually says he thought it was California North. Oh wow, nice. Also, they didn't see the sign.
Mm-mm.
Wow, nice, nice. GG's. Lacuna Pangan
Just looks like Malaysia.
Chairman.
Barangay.
Yeah, Mania.
Mania. You
Mania.
see Mania?
Yeah,
That's
Manila.
Philippines.
Batang Mania. Philippines. Okay, we're in the Philippines. We can go.
Batang. You see Batang?
Batang
All right. Go
Manila.
here. Go here. Go here.
Where?
Where I put my thing.
Manila.
Go to
Oh,
where I put my thing. Inside the
Batang.
city. I'm gonna go here.
Where's Batang?
Go there. I went to Batangas City.
Oh, oh, this side too. Damn, this side too. Europe. We've seen this one
So the
before.
flag
This is
is blue, red,
Iceland
and
or
white.
something. We've seen this before. We've seen this like, oh,
The flag is blue, red, and white in stripes.
is it?
I
Bro, I
need to
guess.
study my
I
flags because
swear,
this
bro.
could
We
have been
have
such an
you.
easy dub.
This you feel this feels familiar to you, right? Wait. Dot. Hold on. I just saw something. Dot no. Just
Norway.
Norway.
It's a
Yeah.
Norwegian flag. So that's Oslo or I don't know where else to go, bro. Probably here. Or you could probably just go north and hope for the best. Up here. Up here.
I think it's down here. Yeah.
Nice. Wow, it's your backyard. It's your backyard, bro.
Nice. Yeah, dot no. GH said Norway too. Block? Which language uses block a lot? BLOK. Bangladesh.
How you know that?
Something said Bangladesh on a sign.
Really?
Where's Bangladesh? Yeah, where's Bangladesh again?
Bangladesh is here, right?
I don't
But
see.
show me the sign.
I'm
Show
not
me the
seeing.
sign.
I don't know how. Oh wait, I just clicked away. Where is it? Hold on. Here.
Nah, bro, that's food. I don't think we're in Bangladesh. I think we're in
Mm,
Malaysia.
mm.
Look for the black thing on the pole.
Oh, where is that?
Because the plates are black. I don't think Bangladesh use black plates. Could be wrong.
I don't really understand the sign thing, to be honest. Mahashwa. Some else says Bangladesh too. Indomie
Really?
Bangladesh.
All right. All right. So you go Bangladesh, although I don't think this is Bangladesh, and I will go Malaysia
Okay.
because we see Bangladesh twice. It has to count for something.
This is like a food named Bangladesh.
Yeah. Go
GH says
like
maybe
koala.
Indonesia. Well, we're locked in already, so.
Go like koala.
Yeah. What does Bangladesh mean? Maybe it's a food. Feel hungry.
Yeah, it was Indo. That's why I weren't seeing the black things on the poles.
Botica. Botica. Pare on a sign.
Red,
Red,
white,
white, and
and
red.
red.
Yeah,
What
so
country
that
is that?
I do not know.
Is this Ecuador? Peru. It's Lima,
Peru,
Peru.
Bicentenario.
Peru, 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 Peru.
That's where you want me to go?
Yep. Ariana entertainers. I feel
GH
stupid
says Peru
and
too.
contagious.
Nice. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad.
You know, I feel like
Ambiorix. Europe.
Brussels.
Definitely giving like European vibes.
They're gonna get Brussels too. So probably like here. Anywhere, bro. Anywhere you want to go. I'm of two minds about a north south city hedge versus somebody going in the center. See like how that guy went to the center just now?
Mm. Mm. No, not really doing much damage to them now.
Yeah.
GH said he thought it was Cusco. I don't know where Cusco is. This looks very
Cusco is in
green. This
Peru,
looks
I think.
Singapore.
Hold on. Taiwan. Taiwan, we're in Taiwan. Um
Taiwan.
Taipei. Go
Usual
Taipei. Go
hedge.
Taipei
Yeah.
right now. Yeah, lock in Taipei. Lock in Taipei.
Hold on, me.
Make sure that you're in the city though.
Yeah, I'm going
Yeah.
in.
Good, good, good. I'm gonna go Taichung.
That's the usual one we hedge.
No, but because we're in the thick city, it has to be either the two places.
Mm.
So now I see the driving right. I see the poles.
Taipei. Nice.
CL, Colombia.
Is it Colombia or the
Yeah,
other
just
one?
lock in, bro. Just lock the scene right now.
Bogota?
CL has to be Colombia. Yeah, lock in Colombia. I will lock in Medellin.
Medellin. No, it was Chile.
CL. It's Chile.
Wow.
CO is Colombia.
Damn,
Be right
yo, that
back.
was
I'm
jump
gonna
off a
jump
bridge.
off this because how did I make that such a rookie mistake?
Yeah, and we've made that mistake
Second
before.
time
Cause
today.
like when you said it, I was like, wait, is it? But I was like, yo, I
Might have
couldn't
to
remember the other
might,
country.
might have to cut this off for the final video.
Damn.
Cannot believe it, bro.
Give me one sec. Yeah, GH says
Mhm.
CO is Colombia. Said Chile. Damn.
Second time I getting domain names wrong.
One sec.
HR being Croatia is stupid. But what is the name of Croatia in Croatia? Name of Croatia in Croatia. Yeah, that's why it's HR because the native name is Hrvatska.
Hello, Glenn. Oh, he said BRB. Hmm. Hmm. One sec.
Are you back? Testing 1 2.
Hello.
Testing 1 2. Hey,
Taylor.
you know,
Yeah, I got this essential oil, and it's like it smells like coffee. It's like supposed to be a Starbucks one. And it's like it's really making me crave
the man
coffee.
is dreaming about coffee.
Really making me.
I figured out why HR was Croatia
Why?
because Croatia in the language of Croatian is Hrvatska.
Why? Her?
No, um, HVKR or something like that.
GH says, "Would you guys be down to 1v2 one of these days?" Yeah, sure.
We could 1v2 right now.
Yeah. Let's see if he's
Would
still
you add
here.
him? You'd add him to the server,
Which
or
server?
you'd make a new one?
Discord on?
Yeah, I realize
Yeah.
that you have a server.
Yeah, that him. I'm not sure if he's still here now, though. We can probably play a game. We did BRB for a while.
Where could we message him on?
Well, if he probably
Maybe,
come back as long as we stream. Or maybe took like a break or something.
yeah.
We'll just get his Discord.
Oh, we can message him on thing there
Oh, well. Or on the
on
game.
GeoGuessr. Well, we
Mm,
can message him on this GeoGuessr. I'm gonna
I'm
send
not
him
hungry, bro.
the invite. Yeah, eating some cereal right now.
I think it's because I woke up so early.
Could be that.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
sent it to
today I
him.
had a smoothie. And then I had a. Oh, maybe I have some tuna.
Mm.
Oh, let's go. Mm,
Okay. EU.
mm.
Query EU. I'm not
The
sure yet.
language, though. Larabesque.
A lot of things are going on with this plate.
It's the EU plates.
Low key. This could be
Yeah, it's the EU
Istanbul.
plates. Oh,
This could be Turkey. This could be. All right, one of us got Turkey. This could be Hungary as well.
where's Turkey again?
Go Turkey. Go Turkey. Quick, 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 quick.
Mm.
Yeah, it was Turkey.
Wasn't the capital, though.
Mm-mm.
Oh, GH. Yeah, I was saying we would play the 1v2, yo.
South America.
Mm. Yeah, it does look. Mm. Hope my chewing isn't too loud.
I can't hear your tune. Can you hear mine?
Mm, the tree now?
No, but I was tuning before.
Mm. I don't know. I'm not trying to find out where this is, but
Uruguay.
what
Let's
makes
come
you
on
say
to
Uruguay?
video. I said the .ui.
We're sure this is Uruguay.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm sure. You could probably go like here.
Where?
Like here.
Why here?
Cause I don't know, it just feels right.
Mm. Damn, they didn't say the into UI. Mm. Mm. You ever tried out Cursor? Evangelisches. Hmm.
German.
It's European, definitely.
Hmm. This could be one of three countries.
Mm. How do you lock in then? Oh wow.
Bro,
Who been here
I don't know.
before?
Alright, Germany. Let's go Germany.
Do I see the German flag? I see the German flag. Yeah, I saw the German flag. Nice.
Let's talk in the circle. But after this.
Okay. Europe, European Union. Um.
Cyrillic.
Mm.
Oh,
I can't remember which countries you had
Cyrillic
said
in Europe.
speak Cyrillic again.
I think Bulgaria is the only EU country that speaks Cyrillic.
Ah, let's pressure them
Okay.
then.
I'm not confident though, but we can, sure.
Boop, boop. Pressure,
Pressure,
pressure.
pressure.
Soup, soup. Pressure, pressure. Mmm. You was mentioning the weather initially.
Okay, so I was right. The idea was right. I was just being safe with that guess.
Mm.
PT. Tell me which country is PT, and we've won the game. It's gonna be Portugal. All right,
Mm.
so Lisbon and Portugal then. Lisbon and Porto. Sorry. Although I feel like Porto would. No, I'd say still go Porto. Yeah.
They more think it's Lisbon. Mm. Not bad. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to quite a high round, huh? G8 said Portugal for that one.
Mm-hmm. EU again.
Yeah, EU plates. Mm. Looks Spanish though.
New
No,
pack
Apple
card.
no. Appa, Al cool. Golden brow. Which one says brow? Mm.
The language is given Italian, right?
Mm.
But I'm not sure. I'm not seeing the Italian plates.
Some Range Rovers.
So I don't know where we are. I'm lost completely.
Mm.
Don't know where we are.
Let me go near Italy.
Shit. I'm gonna go here.
Croatia, Switzerland. Mm. Romania.
Romania.
Oh wow, look at that. One hit,
Romania.
bro.
Let's do some research on Romania.
Red, blue, and white is which color flag?
Not sure. Driving on the right though. This looks like Taiwan
Where is
again.
that? Hmm.
Let me look around some more.
Hmm.
The navigation is a bit wonky.
So I go in Taipei. You go.
Yeah. Honestly, I'm gonna go Japan. Although this
That's a
could be Taiwan.
look more
No, no, it's
Taiwan to
Taiwan,
me.
bro. It's Taiwan. It's Taiwan. Yeah.
Let's
Nice. I
go.
think they're. I think they're absolutely gone now.
Let's
Yeah.
go. Yeah, GH said Taiwan too.
Only 8 more
Hmm.
games to go.
8?
Well, we get 10 points per win, right? We have to beat the
Oh,
guy in 663. So that's 7 actually. 7.
wow. That's actually crazy. Hmm.
Yeah.
So you
We
don't want a
might not. All
battlefield?
right. What we could do? Yeah, how Battlefield?
You
What
want
we
to
could
play?
do, right? We could. I mean, we could, but let's play with G first. We could give up this week, right? Um, and the best way to rank up is to
Mhm.
play once a day. Is to win once a day. You have to
Mhm.
win. If we win one game every day, then we
Mhm.
can. Then we have the best chance because you get extra points for each win, for each new win on each day.
Mhm.
So we could just
How much extra
stream to
points do you
win.
get?
Like 20, 30. So you get like 100 points for the win,
Mm.
and it has to be within the first 20 games that you get 100 points
Every win gives you 100 points?
for the first 20 games.
Oh, wow. Then how are we where we are then?
Because we didn't do well in the first 20 games.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm.
All right,
Oh,
let's play
battlefield?
with G. Let's play with G first.
Oh, he's on.
Yeah. Let's go in the chat in Preston server.
All right, wait. You have his Discord?
I added him already. He's in the server.
Oh,
Testing 1 2.
yo, I'm hearing you, but I'm not seeing him on the
All right, tell him to forward.
channel. Yeah, yo, GH, if you're listening, join the channel
Come
on
on the
Discord.
server, bro. Oh, he sent a link. He sent a party link. I'm gonna send it to you. Yo. Oh, he's deafened. Oh, okay.
Yo,
Testing.
hello.
Hey,
Yo,
What's going on? What's going on?
hey man,
what's
what's up?
up? You're from the UK, right?
No, I'm from America, New York.
Oh, right, right,
Oh,
right, right. New York, New York. Okay, cool, cool, cool.
nice.
I sent you the link, Matthew.
Yeah, I am in.
Okay.
So waiting for
So what do you guys
GH to
want to do?
start.
Just
Um,
anything?
we can
The
just do
community
the no
world.
move one.
Okay.
No move community world.
What's community world mean?
That's like
I think that's the map that they use to like. That's the general map they use for like ranked, I believe.
you right,
Mm.
right, right, right. This is move still.
Hmm. Hmm. Mm, mm, mm.
Okay.
Actually, I have no idea where this is.
um all right, we are shit. I think Okay,
Oh.
I think we're here.
Uh-huh.
I want you to go here
Right, I'm not. Oh.
right now,
Mhm.
Matthew,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm gonna go here. Lock it in.
Okay.
Okay,
Nah,
we need to. I need to be able to talk to Matthew, but I don't want you here. So if we go just
How much?
deafen the Discord. Okay. I hope he's not watching the stream, bro. That'd be so funny.
Mhm.
Matthew.
Okay, I should probably make a second channel after this. I'm looking. I'm not sure.
Bro.
When is Europe?
I don't know where we are. The roads are horrible though, so this could be Ukraine.
That's what they're known for.
Bro, yes. No, the Ukraine is Cyrillic. This is not Cyrillic. This is this guy. Skull. Alright, Sweden. Go Sweden. I'm gonna go Denmark. Bro, how did you get that?
I'm him, bro.
How did you know it was Norway?
I'm him.
Yeah, the man said I'm him.
I am, bro. I am. I am. This is a very hilly area.
Bro, this man is locking it too quick. Hold on. This could be Spain. I don't know. Bro, Andorra? How did he know that? That's mad.
Hold on, I'm gonna go to the second GeoGuessr channel.
Sun to the north. Sun to the north. Hold on.
Oh wow.
Bro, this man.
Chile?
I don't know where we are. No, Northern Hemisphere. I'm gonna go in the middle of Europe. Go like here. He saw something.
Where is this?
Cyrillic.
This...
Red.
Ukraine?
No. Oh my god, red on the plate means something specific.
Oh, wow.
And he knows what it means. And I don't remember what it means. I'm gonna go to Kyrgyzstan and hope for the best. Where is that again? It's here. Go like here.
Where?
I'm him. Oh gosh.
It look like Saint Anne.
Bro. Sun to the south. Palmerston.
Texan.
I have no
Warburg.
idea where that is. Northern Hemisphere. Bro. This is probably the States.
Doesn't look like the States though.
East go Eastern. I'll go Western. Right now, bro. Right now. Bro, that was Australia?
Didn't look like the States, bro.
That was Australia?
I saved us though. We would have lost a while ago.
Literally. I think he went to South Africa. I don't know.
No, I went there.
This could be Romania. This could be. Hold on.
The language Kupiskis. It's European, but it's EU. EU plates.
This is.
Hold on. There's LT. I think I see LT on the sign.
Lithuania.
Where is it?
Yeah. Go Klaipeda. Go here. Good call.
Okay. Mm.
Sun to the north. Oh, sun is definitely to the north this time.
Hmm. This could be
Fool me.
Australia or
Could be
Africa.
Australia, yep. But we're driving left. Yeah, could be Australia, could be South Africa.
No, driving on the right.
Driving on the left. I'm
Oh,
going south. Are you going
nice.
south or north?
Oh, let me go north. Oh,
Bro, he don't know where this is though. All
okay.
right,
I'll go
you go
Central
South Africa.
Australia.
Go desert South Africa though. I'll go. All right, stay in South Australia. Go stay in
Oh,
Australia. Stay in Australia. Okay.
I'm Australia. I'm Australia.
Lucky, bro. No,
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 that was no, that was
bro.
horrible. That was horrible.
I'm going
That
back in
was
the other.
actually yeah. Hello.
I told the
That
man.
was horrible. That was
I
actually
told the
horrible.
man to go South Africa. I was like, go South Africa.
I thought you guys would have guessed like one South Africa, one Australia there. But like to know it's not Australia for sure. Like South Africa has two yellow lines on the outside and then one white, I think, on the inside.
On the road.
Yeah, the road lines is like two yellow lines on the outside.
Okay.
That's how you usually know it's South Africa.
How did you know it was Norway?
Oh,
Matthew
I
and
saw
G.
a truck with a green plate. Green plates are Norway.
But isn't Norway a part of the EU? Or you
Yeah,
mean commercial plates?
like it was like a truck or something. I don't know. It was one of those. It's like some weird. I just remember that color and like they said Norway had those. I don't know if it's commercial or regular cars, but I had just seen one with the green.
Okay.
I see.
Thank
Matthew,
you.
how did you
And
know
then
it was Norway?
I've just
how'd you
seen
know it was
Norway
Norway?
so many times. We've seen that exact
Yeah,
map
and
a few
that vibe
times.
too. Yeah, just looks really clean and like
Mm-hmm.
But
Interesting.
and then I think the
Yes.
one that you guys didn't know too is the Andorra.
Yeah.
Um,
How?
the Andorra one is like it just looks like Andorra. Like I don't know how to explain it, but Andorra just has this very distinct look of just like very hilly and like a lot of brick houses everywhere. So if
I
you see like
see.
a
Andorra
lot of,
speaks English or French?
I believe it's French. It's like right on the border of like Spain and France.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, if you see a lot of like curves and hills and then like bricked houses, it's definitely like Andorra.
I get you. These aren't hills though. These are mountains.
Oh yeah,
These are
yeah, mountain.
huge.
Yeah.
Oh, what's your name by the way?
Jason, but I go by G.
Okay.
Yeah.
Andorra. That's crazy. Okay. You got Germany.
The Germany one I got off of the Bollard. I don't know where exactly it was in Germany, but I knew it was there just off of the little Bollard I saw.
I see. Kyrgyzstan was good.
Yeah. That was a good
The
guess by you on that one.
the first Australia was rough.
Yeah, the Australian one I saw the reason why I guessed New Zealand was I saw a flag on the back of a truck and it looked like New Zealand.
Yeah, the the,
But
the, the, the two flags are very similar.
yeah, and it didn't look like the States at all. I saw English and it didn't look like UK or America, so
Yeah. But I think with
yeah.
the New Zealand flag the stars are red. And in Australia the
Oh, but
stars are white.
that's the thing. It was black and white. That's what got me. The flag. It was like a black and white thing on the back of a truck. So I
Mm-hmm.
don't know. But no, you guys
And
did good though.
Lithuania? How do you get Lithuania?
Oh, how did I? I think I just saw .lt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. I think we also saw that LT.
Yeah. Wait, you said you wanted on the community world one?
Yeah. No movie.
Oh, no move? Okay. Yeah, that's my favorite. All right. right, no moon. All right, I'm a deafen.
Oh. Oh, I'm gonna switch Glenn.
English. No. I mean, we don't have to switch because he's deafened.
Oh.
So this is once again South Africa versus
Or
Australia.
Australia. What was he saying about the road lines? Something about Australia has some yellow road lines. So I'm thinking more South Africa.
Yeah, I'm gonna go Botswana. You go South Africa.
Uh, damn.
Not this man lying to us. A joke.
We should have just hedged it.
I should have got. Yeah, I should have hedged it, but that's okay.
Mm.
This could be God still. Hold on.
Is it normally so dirty? I don't know what to.
Yeah, I'd go God still here.
Yeah, it's really.
If it's not
delicious.
Guatemala, it's like
Colombia?
a country close to it. No,
Colombia, Panama.
like maybe Panama.
Mexico, maybe. I was thinking Mexico.
No, I'm not feeling Mexico. Actually, no, it's not Mexico.
Dumb rep.
Wow.
What?
He knew.
Wow.
This guy knew, bro.
I don't
Sun
know what.
to the north, southern.
It's covered in white. Sun is west,
This
east.
could be South America, but like where?
Yeah,
Bro, I'm drawing blanks right now, bro. I have no idea where this is. If I had a gun to my head, I'd say Brazil, but I don't know where we are.
Could also be Argentina.
Nice.
Yo,
Nice.
Let's go.
Nice.
Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Europe. I've been there. That FR. What's FR?
France.
France?
Where in France? Where in France?
I don't know. Paris and somewhere else. Just I don't want him to find it. Pressure
Alright.
him. I'm going Paris. You go somewhere else. I mean, he's gonna probably see it though.
Good play. I'm gonna go like Toulouse.
Fauville. Not bad. East side, I guess. It's just a. Where did you guess?
It's Toulouse, so south.
Tatong Heavy Equipment HK. Isn't that Hong Kong? .com.
H.
Tatong. But it's .com.
No. Hold on.
Nothing as Hong Kong?
It could be, but where's Hong Kong again?
Somewhere in like China? Or
China doesn't have coverage.
oh no, where's Hong Kong? I don't know. Where's Hong Kong? What is it? The capital of?
Well, Hong Kong could have coverage. Yes. I found Hong Kong.
Okay.
I'm gonna lock in Hong Kong. I want you to go driving on the left. Go Japan. Go Japan, yeah?
Where's Japan again? Oh.
Not beside SK, beside South Korea.
Damn, so Hong Kong.
Oh. Bro, what kind of coverage this, bro? Is this Community World?
A bike on the right.
Is this even Community World?
It's driving on the right. I don't know. It's like such a large.
Community World don't have this coverage. I don't know where we are,
I don't
bro.
know, US or UK or somewhere in the Europe, I guess.
Nah, bro, we're absolutely
He's
cooked.
no, he's confused too. Go US, Central US, or no, actually go hedge between Canada and US. Hedge between Canada, yeah. That's good. That's good. Yeah, that's good. That's the most. See, bro, look at that. Look at that. That's what I told you, bro. That's what I told you. Just try.
That's crazy,
Where were you gonna go either otherwise?
bro. I
This looks like
absolutely
Australia or the
lost
same issue.
again.
It's like I'll go Australia. You go. Where's the other one again?
Bro, just lucky. This is the foolishness that you do with me saying that.
South
Yo,
Africa.
let's
Go
not go
South
here, so I
Africa.
don't
South
this,
Africa.
bro.
South Africa. South Africa.
It's not South
South.
Africa.
Oh well, I mean, South America. South America, bro. The
Cyrillic.
language, yeah, it's one of these European countries. I don't remember which one is. Which one speaks Cyrillic again? Hungary.
No. Bulgaria is the only EU one, but there are a lot of non-EU ones like Montevideo.
Just pick.
Not Montevideo, Bosnia. Sorry, Montenegro. Bro, I don't know where we are. I'll go
Just
here.
pick around. Hey.
It was Russia. This is in Russia.
It
Or
says
just
no, it's
another part of
Poland.
Russia. No,
It
it's
said Poland?
Russia.
Oh.
It was Russia.
Singapore.
Looks like Taiwan.
Singapore or
No.
Taiwan?
We're driving right.
That's
It's
not Singapore.
Singapore don't look like this.
Taiwan?
It's Taiwan, yeah.
Taipei, you go. We need to pressure him.
south.
I think he needs to be under some pressure. Damn, these places look so nice and green. I really like that. Did we
Oh,
get
he's
it?
closer. This might be game.
Damn. Yeah. Damn.
Going in the other. Alright, not bad.
That one scared me. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, that was a
Not
good
bad.
one.
How did you get Australia in the first round?
How did I get Australia? Let me see. To me, okay. All right, so I'm looking at it now. To me, it just looked like, first of all, the white lines. I knew it wasn't South Africa. You guys
Why?
guessed South Africa. I told you it's yellow lines. The yellow lines on the outside is South Africa.
Yeah, we mixed it up.
Yellow lines on both sides?
Yeah, yellow lines on both sides, South Africa.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, when I had seen it before, like I had also seen like the white bollards, and I knew it was either Australia or New Zealand, but the dirt didn't really look like New Zealand. It's kind of like weird to say, but I don't know why. That was, and that Canada one was kind of lucky. I'm not gonna lie.
That's first of all. I don't even know how you got so close.
I did not know where the fuck I was at. Sorry for cussing, but I did not know where I was at. Like,
how you get dam rip?
Yeah, that was a good one.
Oh,
dam rip. That was a good one.
The truck on the car. It looks like Guatemala.
But it has white at the front.
No, the bars have a black line in them, like Guatemala doesn't. Yeah, I just learned that one a couple days ago.
That's crazy.
Like all this stuff I'm learning, I'm not gonna lie. I just started learning like last week. So, but no, yeah, the black. If you see it looks Spanish and it has the bars. Like it's either Guatemala or Damrim, but the black bars will tell you for sure.
I get you. I see it now. Yeah, Argentina was a good guess, Matthew.
Oh yeah, that was a really good guess. Yeah, that Argentina guess was really good, actually.
Because I was thinking Brazil. France.
I feel like Brazil to me has more trees in it. Like I don't know, but there is some parts that are like that though. So I see what you mean. Brazil's so hard to guess though. I hate
Yeah,
to
it
do that.
is.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think any of us would have gotten. I don't even know what country this is. Is this Argentina? The southern tip of South Africa, South America?
Oh, all the way at the bottom. Yeah, I don't even know what that is. Which one? Which one was that?
I
Oh,
I don't even know. I don't even know that
I
country.
think that's
It says
Argentina.
Tierra del
I
something
don't
something
know either.
province, but I don't
Oh,
know
for
if it's
real?
in Argentina or Chile. It could be
Oh, yeah, it's
Argentina though.
Argentina. Yeah, it's Argentina. Yeah.
Okay.
Because if you zoom in on the line, it'll tell you the border of each country.
Oh, yes, indeed.
Yeah, that was a crazy one. Those they put like two of the most like mysterious places I've ever seen.
I've never gotten Russia. I never gotten Western Russia, where
Oh yeah,
Kaliningrad. I've never
that
gotten that before.
that's I've never had that either. That place threw me off a lot. That's why I thought Ukraine, but I don't know.
Nah, the road is too good.
Yeah, true. That's no true for real though. Like Ukrainian roads are really bad, and yeah, even Russia too.
Crazy. Yeah, that last round, like we got the city, but it wasn't enough. Not the city, we got the country, but it wasn't enough. How did you know it was like more central?
For the last round.
Yeah.
To it didn't like look city like to me, so I knew it wasn't up north. And from all the Taiwan rounds I've seen, they usually look like that with the fields and stuff. Like they usually around that area,
I
and the
get you.
houses in the back too. Like usually the houses being in those little like mountains and stuff like that are usually around that region.
hmm You're still using learnable meta, the script?
Yeah, I
You find it
use all
useful?
I've yeah, so that's all I used to study. Like
hmm
I've only played the first two maps on there.
Okay. I just
The
got it like an hour ago, so I'm gonna check it
oh yeah,
out.
that'll teach you a lot. Yeah, definitely use that.
hmm you play in the open beta for Battlefield?
Oh no, I wanted to get it though. That game looks so fun. My friend just got it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're gonna play it
Nice.
now.
Are you guys gonna play? Are you gonna
hmm
stream it?
Yeah,
You
I'll
gonna
stream
stream
it.
it?
Yeah, I'll stream it.
All right, I'll tune in then. I'll watch you guys.
Yeah, awesome.
All right, cool.
All right, it was good games though.
Yeah, it was good
Yeah,
playing with you
man.
too, man.
Looking forward to a 1v1. Maybe I get
Yeah.
study a little more and then I'll beat you. I'd say you're slightly better than me. Slightly.
Mm. Yeah, you're good. Yeah, man. Later. Do. I'm loading it up. Mm, I don't know when you downloaded yours. Probably not, because you'd have likely downloaded it after. Oh, I just missed the stream won't change though. Well, I'm gonna stop it and start it.
So I sit back with a